Kana means he was. Is the meaning complete? No. What was he? We need something else to complete the sense. So that something else, brother and sister, we bring the predicate, we bring the khabar. So kana is a fi'l, but it is naqis, means it is incomplete. Naqis means incomplete. Okay. And if it is incomplete, then it won't have file. It will not have file, but it will have ism and khabar. Khabar. But this is very important lesson and very interesting lesson. And it comes in the Quran on every page, in every ayah, fine. And there are a couple of very important things I will tell you about kana. Okay. One of that thing is, brothers and sisters, kana means he was. But when you use kana for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when in Quran kana is mentioned for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it does not mean he was. It means he was, he is, he will be. So when it comes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, brothers and sisters, kana express eternal truth. Write down this. He is and he will be. In that case, it is not was. Always. Okay, brothers and sisters, I will write down 2 sentences regarding the eternal truth. I will write down 2 sentences. Kana al-insanu ajulan. He was, he is, he will always be. So this is the meaning of eternal truth. Kana Allahu ghafuran rahiman. He was, he is, he will be. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Keep that in mind. Because otherwise, you will always be wondering, kana means was. Was Allah before and he is no longer? No, he is there till the end of the time. Okay. Hasty. We want everything quickly, brother. Haste, ajulan. These are the verses from Quran. The question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay. You know that Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and. In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we say harfu ataf. But as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something, and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Now we come to zalika. It's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Okay. Now what is the difference between this and that? Both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Haza ismul ishara lil qarib.
for something that is closer. And ذَلِكَ ismul ishara lil ba'id, for far things. هذا قلم ذَلِكَ باب. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use ذَلِكَ. Ready, brother? The question ma is same. Ma ذَلِكَ. What is the meaning, brother? What is that? Now we are talking about that. ذَلِكَ najmun. That is a star. هذا masjidun, which is closer to us. وَذَلِكَ. What is the meaning of وَذَلِكَ? And that is a house. مَا ذَلِكَ. ذَلِكَ sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hada wa man dhalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hada mudarrisun wa dhalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma dhalika. Dhalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Dhalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hada sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hada sukkarun. Wadhalika labanun. This is sugar and that is milk. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay? This is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers? If I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma hadha, I will say man hadha. What will I say? Man hadha. And my answer will be hadha Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say man haza. Then the answer will be haza Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say man haza. I will say haza Abdus Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So for human beings, anything akal or rational nouns, we use man. For gair akal or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So let's see now. Look at the picture and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one, man haza. He has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza. Haza talibun. Talibun. MashaAllah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming. And you got to memorize it. Right? Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma haza. Haza masjidun. Man haza. So it's question for and pointing out to an akil person. Okay. Man haza. Haza tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant, businessman. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Okay. Haza kalbun La. Hada kittun. MashaAllah. Huh? So, brother, tun, kittun, a cat. Huh? Hada himarun. Hada himarun. Okay, brother. Ahada himarun? La. Hada hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Huh? Donkey, horse, okay. Ma hada? Hada jamalun. Hada jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Ma hada? Hada deekun. Rooster. Hada deekun. Now again the question is, man hada, towards a human being, pointing out to human being. Man hada? Hada mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun. Remember sun, huh? Hada qamisun? La. Hada mindilun. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs, huh, brother?